How to remove the driver door lock assembly on a 2009 Hyundai, let's see what this is, Hyundai Elentra 2009. So it's actually super simple. I didn't know, and I figured I'd make a video. Instead of having to take out, to take out this lock, to take that out, I thought you had to take all this apart. You don't. There's a little pocket right here. You just pop that out with like a pick or a flathead or something. Pops right out. And then inside there's a little, I don't know if you can see it, it's hard to see with the sunlight. There's an 8mm or 5/16 socket, bolt in there, and I got a 5/16 adapter on my 1/4" impact. You just go in there, or like I said, it's an 8mm as well. You take the bolt out. This one has a magnet, so it's holding the bolt, which is a good idea to use this. You drop the bolt in there, then you'll be in trouble because you'll need to find an 8mm bolt. You open the door handle. Well, let me see if I can do this while holding it. You open the door handle, and it should pull right out. That's it. The bolt threads in from there to the side of the door, from that hole. And to do the same, you just open the door handle. You slide that piece back in. It's got to line up with the hole in there. It's hard to do with the phone in my hand, but I'll try it since I don't feel like editing or kind of making a video. Yeah, it's got to go into the locking mechanism. There you go. Then you gotta go to the handle. That's it. Then you put the screw back in. Don't gotta be super tight. It's an 8mm, so that should be it. Then you pop the little button back in. That's it. Literally, that's it. Because we actually had to replace the door on this thing. It was hit, and the junkyard door had a different key lock. So we wanted to swap back to the original key lock for this. You had just one key still, like factory. Thanks for watching. I guess I'll try to post more. We got a cord to work on. This is the Rogue that I made a short about. Feeling a vibration. Come to find out, the Rogue actually has a CVT transmission. It means constant, I don't know, viscous transmission or something like that. I forget what it meant or stands for, but yeah, it's like a steel cable instead of having a torque converter, and you feel vibration when you hit the accelerator pedal. That thing's definitely the cause of that transmission. The drive shaft's fine, the differentials are fine because it's an all-wheel drive, 4x4 or whatever you want to call it. All-wheel drive is the actual term, I think. But that'll be another video because I gotta see if we can get a transmission for that thing. If not, we might just leave it alone instead of putting so much. But thanks for watching.